click the Developer tab on the ribbon. In the Code group, click the Record Macro button. The Record Macro dialog box opens. First, you will name the macro. Type bonus in the macro name text box. Next, you will assign a shortcut key to the macro. Click the shortcut key text box and type a lowercase k in the shortcut key text box. To run the macro, you can press Ctrl plus K. By default, the setting This Workbook is selected in the Store Macro In text box. You will accept this setting and will not add a macro description at this time. Click OK. The Record Macro dialog box closes, and the Record Macro button changes to the Stop Recording button. You will now record the macro by executing the steps you want the macro to perform. Type =, if, open parenthesis, G4 greater than sign 3, 5,000, 0, closed parenthesis, in cell H4. Press Enter. The macro will enter a formula to determine bonus values. The formula will return a bonus value of $5,000 if the owner's rating value is greater than 3, and a value of 0 if 3 or less. When you press Enter, Excel returns the result of the formula in the selected cell. In the Code group on the ribbon, click the Stop Recording button. Recording for the macro is complete. Excel saves and stores the bonus macro in the current workbook.